Do you see a red dot? At the very end. Okay, cool. It's recording.
Just kind of to the end zone over there, but we'll bring it to the front. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. What? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Better make this count. Go.
Okay. I don't care.
Person, if you're in the front of the prop, like going backwards, you can kind of move out of the way.
My shoe is not tied.
You don't have to pull it. So like Leah, Grayson, and all those, you can just kind of get out of the way. Yep. But keep pushing. Yep. There we go, Grayson. There we go.
Joining us from Virginia Beach, Virginia, please welcome the Ocean Lakes High School Marching Band.
Yeah! My shoe isn't tied.
Ocean Lakes' program is entitled Déjà Vu and features original music composed and arranged by Ian Groff.
See you later, Stinky.
We have some airgrams for Ocean Lakes High School. To the mellophone section. Bend it like Cameron.
Yeah!
Love, Mom. To my darling Landon, I love you to the moon and back. Love, your cute English bulldog.
Yeah!
To the front ensemble, bend the elements and bring balance to the world. Love, Mr. Langston.
We love you too.
To the prop people, hurry up. Love, Mr. Parker.
Come on, guys.
To the prop people, are you sure you're on the right yard line? 'Cause it doesn't look right.
What is going on?
To the tubas, if Ava can do it, you can't complain.
What is taking so long? Oh my gosh.
To the drum line, bop ba dop ba dop 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 dop. Love, Mr. Jones. To the color guard, slay. Love, Coach Ollie. To the brass, you don't have to run. Love, Mr. Parker in this moment right now.
Bruh.
The Ocean Lakes Marching Band has a bunch of leaders who I don't want to read off right now, but
Man.
will at the competition.
Come on, man.
You know who you are. Do good.
Sure will.
To the guards, make sure your flags are set.
That's kind of important.
Stand by. Drum majors, Gabriel Gonzalez and Karsten Bach, please signal when your band is ready and begin your show.
Yes, sir. Kill him. Kill him. Ooh, ooh, kill him. Damn, kid, you dummy thing.
All right, band, repeat after me. Every step.
Every step.
Every note.
Every note.
Every person.
Every person.
Every time.
Every time.
Full run. Let's do this.
Let's go. Good luck, guys.
Good luck. Good luck. Break it.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, don't.
Push. Duck, place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, place. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Duck, place. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third, fourth, fifth, place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push. 1, 2, 3, 5. Lean. Duck. Place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, third, fourth, fifth, place. 2, duck. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third, fourth, fifth, up, 2, 3, turn 2, 1, cross, 2, 3, cross, place, push, 2, 3, place. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I fucking hurt. 1, 2. Oh my god. Fuck. What the heck, Justin? Justin has grandpa balls. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Please suck on my nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Place. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to lock. Oh, I gotta throw up.
Babe, turn around and salute. Clap, 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 clap. Don't move yet. The Ocean Lakes High School Marching Dolphins.
Oh my god.
Gabe turns back around.
Throw up.
Go to the props. Go.
Oh, I gotta throw up.
Don't move the prop. Just head back to the props so you can help.
I gotta throw up.
You don't need to run yet.
Oh my god.
Yes. It's not you. It's not you.
I need to throw up.
How are you?
Someone, you want to take my horn?
Actually, he has gloves on.
Who can take my horn? Oh, you don't have gloves on.
Someone with gloves.
Someone with gloves, take my horn.
Yes.
Here you go.
So front, start to now. Now, Katie and David are on the wrong way.
We're gonna have to flip it around that way. When they move, we can.
You should be exiting side one. Exit side one towards the scoreboard. Yep. And Josh and Justin, for right now, just bring it towards the front sideline.
Oh, I'm freaking cramping, bro. I need to throw up.
We gotta go.
Turn the prop around.
People in the front, once the prop is tilted, you don't need to touch it. But you should be pushing it. So like Noah and Chelsea, you just turn yours around. You should be turning it around the other way. We gotta go.
Same on.
Props. First one right here, Natasha and Melissa. You gotta move it. tilt it down more, Melissa. Yes.
Alright, just.
Come on.
Why is this so complicated? Push it!
Yep. And go, go, go.
Go.
Bring the props around. And
Oh, I'm
take
still
the
recording. Oh my gosh.
come in on for
I'm still recording.
football.